A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. So cylinder, this is a cylindrical part, and on top there is a conical part. Height and diameter of the cylindrical part are given 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. And the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. So required surface area will be CSA of the cylindrical part plus CSA of the conical part. So for the conical part it will be pi RL. Slant height is already given to you. The radius and height of this one is also given to you. 2 pi RH will be the CSA of the cylindrical part. So since radius is same for both, for cone and for the cylinder, I can take it common. So 22 by 7 into R into L plus 2H. And after substituting all these values, the answer will be 44 meter square. That will be the area of the canvas, and cost will be, multiply this 44 with 500. So that will be rupees 22,000. That will be the total cost of the canvas. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So this is the way it has been hollowed out, of the same height and same diameter. One conical cavity has been taken out. Find the surface area of the remaining solid. So what is remaining of that? You have to find the surface area. So slant height of the conical portion you will find by square root of h square plus r square. So that is square root of 2.4 the whole square plus 0.7. This is the radius of the cone. And you will get it as square root of 6.25. That is 2.5 centimeter. This is the slant height. After finding the slant height, you have to find the total surface area of the remaining solid. That is the CSA of the cone plus CSA of the cylinder plus the base area, or if you are taking the total surface area of the cylinder, then you have to subtract the circular part. So that will be pi RL plus 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is the CSA of the cylinder plus pi R square is the base. This one also we have to add because this is also of the surface. Then you will substitute the values, given values, and solve it. So the answer will be 17.6 centimeter square. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each of the ends of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. So this is a cylinder, and on both the sides hemisphere has been scooped out. The radius of the base is given as 3.5 and height is given as 10 centimeter. You have to find the total surface area of the article. So for the article, the total surface area will be the curved surface area of the cylinder plus the curved surface area of this hemisphere plus the curved surface area of this hemisphere. Since both are same, you can do twice of this and add everything. So 2 pi RH, that is lateral surface area of the cylinder. You can put the values. Height is given as 10 and this is 3.5. 3.5 can also be written as 35 by 10 to make your calculations simpler. So CSA of the cylinder is 220 centimeter square. Then for the hemispherical cavity, it will be 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square is coming as 77, but there are two of these. So 77 plus 77, that is 154. So total surface area of the solid, you will add both and the answer will be 374 centimeter square.